hold on. Peter, get under the light.
Really?
Okay, eat it. Just eat it.
Let's take pictures first.
What? Peter, just eat it. Okay, ready? Go. It's not that bad, right? You have to eat it fast, dude. You're gonna die. Hurry up, dude. People are watching. Peter, you have to eat it fast, or you're gonna die. How do you feel, man?
Never. Ah! We said you. You.
You buy it, nigga. Use your card. Fire is right there. It's right there.
Hurry. 돈 빨리 있어.
얼마요?
그리고 이 꼬챙이는 우리 쓰레기통에 버리시려면 다 꺾어 버리셔야 돼.
얼마요?
750원이요. 네. 매운 것을 잡수고 그냥.
감사합니다. Oh my god, dude.